Hello and welcome. I'm going to describe some of the features of VisualChain. It is a blockchain visualization web app. Blockchain is a new technology. It has a lot of applications for business, for IoT, finance, geolocation. But as a new technology, it can be difficult to get an initial grasp of how it works and what it is. So VisualChain aims to simplify that by taking the complex concept of blockchain and condensing it down into its simple forms, creating a very simple to use blockchain which is visually orientated, and the user can learn whether it's for their own business, for their study, or just out of their own interest. They can play with VisualChain, and within the course of about an hour they can get a good grasp of how the blockchain works. So on visiting the website for the first time, the user will be able to sign in with a Google account. Luckily I'm already signed into Google, so it's a fast process. Now I'm going to give myself a username and I'm just going to join the network. So when I join the network, it's a very simple layout. We've got tabs down here, there's 4 of them, they all look quite bare at the moment, and a node up above. So here in messages, I'm going to leave a message just to see what happens, and there the message is added to the list. I'm going to write another message, and that is added as well. Here in the clients section, you can add a few nodes to the network. There's one, and here's another little pop-up to say that it's been added. Nice and easy, and you can easily clear up the network by removing them as well. So over here in the mining tab, I'm going to hit this big switch, and the snack bar pop-up tells me that I'm mining. You can see there's a few little red lines down the bottom now describing my attempts to find the block. If I were to find one, oh, perfect timing, there's one in yellow to say that I found this block. You can see that the hashes match up. I've got a little graphical window here to describe what a hash is, and there's a few of these quick graphical with snappy little sentences describing different aspects of the blockchain scattered around the web app in useful places. I'm going to start mining again and see if we can find another block. This project was developed using WebStorm IDE. The hosting is on Firebase. It's a real-time database storage. I'm using that for authentication as well. And there we go. Fantastic. I found another block. And we can see again that they match up. So if I move over here into blocks, I can see that I now have 2 blocks on my chain, and my chain length has changed. There's a few more little graphical window descriptions here, and over in messages I can see I got a little golden marker now on both of my messages, and another graphical window to describe the process going on there. You can also view the app in responsive mode for mobile. Now that I have a few blocks in the network, I'm going to add a client, and we're going to watch if he can catch up. You can see he's already caught the first block, and now soon hopefully he will be able to catch the second. There we go. Yeah, my blocks have propagated throughout the network, and that happens in the other direction as well. If I'll add another node to the network. Now that we have 3, I'm going to set those to mining. They'll be searching for blocks, and as they find blocks, they will add those to the network. There you can see that bot 22 found a green block, and block 94 has already found that block, has already received that block zone. If we wait a moment, I should also catch up with the network. There we go, the network is now in alignment one more time. And here we can see that there's another block added to the network. So for each block on the network, that's another agreement that the messages here are held on the network. And all of us have those same messages now stored in our blockchain. So this has been the video describing Visual Chain, the blockchain visualization web app. Thanks for watching.